Namaste guys, I am Dayanand Joshi. Welcome to our YouTube channel Bodhiastam. Today I am going to share you very easy method of yoga. You can do yoga with your fingers. The effect is almost same as the yoga. Suppose if you are bedridden, you have no time to do yoga, or you are a old aged person, you can easily do yoga with your fingers. These hands has connection with our body. These fingers are connected with our head, neck, hands and legs. Okay, this left hand is connected with the left part of our body, right hand is connected with right part of our body. Whatever action you do here, it automatically goes to your body. You can heal your illness, everything you can cure with your fingers, all your problems, all your illness. Even if sometimes I don't get time, so I do this yoga with the fingers. It's really effective. Okay guys, let's start. First you have to just warm up your hands like this. Then this thumb has connection with your neck and head. So rotate 10 times like this, clockwise, anti-clockwise. After that, hold like this. Hold your thumb like first joint like this for 15 seconds. Okay. All joint you have to fold and 15 seconds you have to hold. Otherwise, there is no effect. Okay. Then the other joint like this. Hold for 15 seconds and pull backward, 15-second hold, and left side like this. (15) and right side pull 15-second, and afterwards another finger, index, just rotate 10 times clockwise and anti-clockwise. Then hold the first joint like this and another joint like this. Hold for 15 seconds and the third one like this. Hold it like this. And relax. Then pull backwards like this and left side like this. Hold for each position 15 seconds and another finger. Rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise 10 times, and this first joint 15 seconds, another joint 15 seconds, third joint 15 seconds, pull backward 15 seconds, this side 15 seconds and the other side 15 seconds, and another finger. Rotate 10 times clockwise and anti-clockwise and fold like this, first joint and another joint, and then like this, pull backward, this side, and the small finger, rotate then both hands you have to do. Okay, so you will get the same as yoga's result. Even you can do this if you are you are more sick, so you can do this 2 times, morning and evening. It's really effective. Okay guys, apply this and enjoy your health and live more than 100 years. Thank you for watching. Yoga Samastha Sugino Bhavantu. Watch, share and subscribe.